So hi everyone, this is Cognivus Lab, and we are currently building a product for the continuous health monitoring with automated medication delivery and AI-powered insights for better patient outcomes. So this is the demo video we are conducting right now. As you can see, this is the product we have. We can just wrap this around the chest area to integrate with our systems. So currently we have two different sensors, and we probably going to expand our sensors into the one of the accelerometer to detect fall detections and sudden movements in the patients. And so this is the ECG sensor we have. This will continuously monitor patients' ECG values in real time. So we just have to do the plug-in and connect these to the patient. And this is the SpO₂ sensor we have. We have to design the 3D printed finger clip plastic module for that yet, but this is working fine just for now. Yeah, so before we turn on this our product, first we need to sign into the administrator panel in order to set up our device. So first I'll sign in with the credentials we have right now, like this. So it will show all these different types of stuff, like the AI models. For example, this is how we monitor our AI models, and we debug the information using custom datasets to validate our models. So for example, if we want to analyze the ECG models inference, we just have to run this inference model, and it will give the sample data output through the model we have. So now let's turn on our device. Before that, I'll go to the device section. As you can see, we have 0 devices connected to the network, but now I'll turn on our device. As you can see, through the switch it turns on, and within a few seconds we get our welcome message. And as you can see in the device management, we have the our device connected. As you can see, this is status is online, assignment is available, which means that it is available to assign to a patient. So before we add a patient, we have a separate debug panel in the product we have through the OLED display here. So if we press this push button, it will go through all the information like the MAC address, the IP address we have connected to, and everything. So what are the sensors we have active. So then let's add a patient. So before that, we need to close this lid like this and put the four small screws here. And also we have the charging module in order to, if we want to charge the product. And we can just wrap this around the patient and put all the ECG module sensor and the ECG SpO₂ sensor to the patient. Yeah, so let's add a patient right now. So first we have to go to the doctor panel. To do that, I can log into the doctor account we have, and as you can see, this is the UI we have. We have the device management section here, which it will show what are the devices we are currently have, which we can assign to the patients. And in here we have the notification system, which will send all the critical, medium, and all the notifications from the patients from our AI insight modules. So first we'll go to the patient sections, and let's add a patient. And we have to fill out this information in order to add the patient. And in here we have to assign the device section. We can either assign this or not, because some people just do not want any device assignments. Since we are testing right now, we can assign the device we have. Then we can do this, and we can add the patient like this. And in a couple of seconds it will refresh and show the patient's information in the profile section. So if we go to the profile section, it will load. So as you can see, we can see the overall risk. It's better if you have a lower risk. So if we like scroll a bit to the bottom, as you can see, all the sensors are not active right now because we didn't connect the ECG sensor yet. And for example, we will show the SpO₂ sensor. So I'm going to put my finger on the oxygen SpO₂ sensor, and we can see how these oxygen levels are moving. So this is the SpO₂ sensor we have right now. So we have to design the plastic clip in order to clip the finger. We don't have it yet, so I'll just show through this. So if I go to here, and I'm going to put my finger right here, and as you can see in the dashboard, you can see we have the no finger status right now, but it will change in a few seconds. We can see right now it's finger detected, and my oxygen level is 100. So as a healthy person, we should get like around 98, 99 and 100. So this is the first time it's reading, so it will get like very messy with the sensor. In a few seconds it will stabilize all the outputs, as you can see right now. And the heart rate is not valid yet. We have to put our ECG nodes into our chest area. We didn't implement this temperature yet. And as you can see in here, sensor debug area, in the ECG section we have leads disconnected. It's because we don't have these ECG leads connected at the moment. But in the SpO₂ section we have the finger detected, and it's a valid reading. Yeah, so like that we can monitor everything. If we go to the personal information, it's just patient's information. And if we go to the vitals history, we have all the vitals through the entire time period of 90 days. For example, if we want to, we don't have many data right now, so we have the last 50 minutes, right? So I'm going to put the 50 minutes section, and as you can see how this will show all the data, how our values change across the time variables, and we can see each of the records in the each of the timestamp. If you go to the aggravated sections, so this will show the exact timestamp we had, like this. In this time we had this, and in this time period we have this, like that. You can see all the graphs are visible, so the doctors can analyze every patient's periodic data through here.
Yeah, so let's move to the SpO₂ monitoring tab. Here you can see the current SpO₂ value and the average values per the time period, and also the confidence of how confident the model is to predict that particular trend, which is displayed here. So the current oxygen saturation level trend is stable. So currently our SpO₂ model is a bit sensitive for sensor data, so it will push notifications even though there are no any considerable declines in oxygen. And even if there's a sudden oxygen declining, it will provide a notification for now, and we will fix that soon. Then let's again move to the patient's profile and SpO₂ monitoring. So here also you can see the kind of a bar chart plot which provides the oxygen values per the time period. Yeah, so let's move to the prescriptions management tab. So it is not that much special. We can just add a prescription for patients. Then the next special tab is AI Insights tab. Here you can see basically the ECG trends, SpO₂ trends, and the temperature trends. The temperature one is an upcoming feature due to lack of resources. We were not able to implement it fully. So in ECG prediction section, we have 0% because our sensor is not set up yet. Actually we have all the sensors set up, but they are not work, right? So in the SpO₂ level we can see the previous predictions are mentioned. Then we can just go to the AI Insights in the main tab. So here we will be displaying the high risk patients, like from the highest risk to the lower risks, so the doctors can take immediate actions if needed. And the next the notification thing. as I mentioned earlier, here we are having the critical notifications for the patient, so we can ask, or doctors can pay attention to those people who are having high risk.
Yeah, so the doctor's dashboards and everything is finished. Now we can move on to the staff login. So we can go to the staff login section from here, and we can register login using the login panel. Then as you can see, we can see all the current patient's information. As you can see, this is the previous patient we had, and we have the SpO₂ levels from here. So this is just the exactly like the doctor's section, but with limited permissions. You can see the live vitals. Since I don't have my finger on the sensor, it's not showing anything. And if you go to the inventory sections, these are all the coming soon features in the next version. And yeah, that's it. So thank you guys, and goodbye everyone.